How's it going, YouTube? Today we're gonna be washing my 2012 Challenger RT. How's it going, guys? So I just got back from the car wash, passed by Pep Boys to pick one of these bad boys up. Just air freshener, but it's kind of like a bomb. You put your air on max, like the AC, and then you put it on recirculating mode, and then you pretty much set off the bomb, and then you let it run for like 15 minutes, I think, and then just air it out after that for another 10 minutes, and supposedly the car will give it like a new car scent. So we're gonna give that a try real quick. Alright, so pretty much right now the bomb is going off. I don't know if you guys can see that because of the glare. You just wait. But let me know if you guys are interested in seeing something with this car. A few of the mods that I have done is the bags. It has it's an RT model, so these are actually Hellcat wheels. Turn up the brightness. Hellcat wheels, Hellcat hood. I believe the lip is from a Hellcat also. And a few other things. I believe the grill and all that might be from Hellcat also. I also did an E85 or like a flex fuel conversion, so I could run, you know, E85 or 91 octane on it. It has a loudmouth exhaust, I believe that's how it's called. So it has the cool quad tips at the bottom, which are right there. What else? I believe the roof is wrapped, just black, nothing crazy. These are tinted also. Air intake, I believe it's called like I forgot what it's called. Show you guys later. But yeah, it's pretty much how the car sits. I do have an app that lets me control, which is pretty cool. A few of the things, like for example the So I have the APE Flex Fuel Kit here, and basically what it lets me do, it lets me monitor, you know, kind of like the fuel system. So here it tells me the ethanol content, so I'm running like full E85 right now. It also tells me what how the injectors are doing, like what duty cycle they're at. It tells me the RPMs, and I believe if I go over to here, it also does a little bit of data logging, which should be here. So if you have a tuner or whatever, you know, I don't know how to use it, but this is pretty much what, you know, tells the tuner how the car is running and whatnot. So that's cool. I also have the, where's my airbag? So I also have the app right here. Pretty much I could make the car go up however I please, or I could air down if I feel like it from my phone. One of the things I love about the car is the airbags, and yeah, like, this thing is so freaking cool to me. The only negative thing I have to say about it, I guess, is that it's automatic. It was not really a deal breaker for me though, because this is my daily, and like my Datsun and my Mini, they're kind of the ones that I actually want to put money into it. Although I am planning on, although I have put money on it, and then although I am gonna cam it, and I'm actually thinking of putting nitros on it also. But let me know if you guys are interested in seeing some more other cool stuff, maybe to this car. You know, just ask questions about it and whatnot.